Hello everybody. Today this is unit number 425. So if you love her, she's available on our website. She is a 20-inch front lace, deep body wave, and we are just going to brush out these curls to make her really big and really kind of show you guys a couple of different ways you can wear your curly hair. So this is the curly hair when it's just air dried, and I'll show you what it looks like if you want to brush it out. Also take note, as I am brushing out these curls, you will not see globs of hair, you will not see tangling. You see how great quality curly hair looks. Look, you don't see strands of hair. You don't see globs of hair in my hand. This is quality curly hair right here. If you want a quality curly wig that will last you and it's easy to maintain, perfect for every day, perfect for vacation, perfect for going out, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. All of our wigs do now come in this great packaging right here. If it doesn't come in a box that says Magic Hair Company, then it's not from us. So actually, let me take this off of the mannequin head, show you guys up close here. This is what a 20-inch deep body wig looks like. Let me comb it out a little more. All of our wigs do have this adjustable and removable strap right here. The wig I currently have on is a short 10-inch bob that's dyed red. We do custom coloring here, so if you're looking for a custom colored wig, we do that as well. Let me just brush this out here to kind of speed up this process here. Yes, you can brush out our beautiful, beautiful deep body wave hair, and I'm going to wet it down for you guys to show you what it looks like. We're located here in Culver City, California. That's Los Angeles County for those of you in the YouTube world and the TikTok world that have no idea where that is. We're in LA, we're right out of LAX. So this is what the texture looks like brushed out. This is the Magic Hair Company Deep Body Wave. A lot of companies will sell you textures with different labels, but this is what the Deep Body Wave from Magic Hair Company looks like. All of our wigs have 6 inches of free parting space in the front here. Let me show you a different part here. So I'm going to part this a little bit to the side here. And the best way to set the part is with, for curly hair, just wet down the hair, spray it as I'm about to do. Actually, I'll wet it down first and then change the part. So this is what the part looks like if we just part it here. But you'll see that it looks much more defined once I wet it down. So you see it looks defined here, but this hair is going to stick up just a little bit if I leave it right here. So this is what she looks like from the front. I love this texture. This is one of my favorite textures. Again, this is wig number 425. Styling is included, so if you want us to cut some beautiful layers into her, we'll do that for you as well. It's included if you want to bring her back after some time and then cut some bangs. All of that is included at no additional charge. So this is what the deep body wave looks like when you brush her out. I love this texture. Actually, let me show you. Well, I don't want to take my hair off. Well, yeah, I'll show you guys. So this wig I'm taking off was wig number 237. If you like her, you like the color, this is wig number 237. And now I'll put on this 20-inch deep body wave wig here. Again, this is the texture, all brushed out. Our wigs are glueless, so you literally just pop the wig on, straighten out that lace in the front, and then you're good to go. So let me put this back into place here. My camera is positioned a little bit low, so that's why I'm at this awkward position down here. But you guys see how this looks? You see how she moves? Maybe you can see it better from back here. So if you're looking for some beautiful, deep body wave hair, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We will gladly cut the lace for you. So you see this lace that's right here? If you shop with us online or in store, we'll gladly cut that lace for you. So don't worry about this lace that you don't actually wear your hair like that. We'll gladly cut some layers and do some shaping. So this is how the texture looks brushed out. So if you want to wear it, if you want to wear her with the more brushed out look, you definitely can do that. Our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. Look how full this is. So this is how full. You're looking for full hair. This is a great texture. Our density is 150. That's our standard density, and look how full that is. A lot of new companies, they don't really know what they're talking about when they say their wigs are really high densities. Either their manufacturer is lying to them, or they're knowingly lying to a lot of you guys, telling, like, shop with us if you want the best. You know, there's a lot of new pop-up wig companies, and they don't know what they're talking about all the time. They're just going by what their supplier tells them, where suppliers are liars. But I personally know my suppliers. Oh, I love this texture. We also do custom coloring, so if you like this color or this color, we can definitely color your wig as well. We can add highlights, we can do ombre and balayage. Our video earlier was on ombre and balayage, so over here we have some balayage examples. This is straight, this is body wig, and then over here, these two wigs are ombre, so that's why we have those wigs out. See, they have, this one has the lighter root here. All of our wigs have 6 inches of free parting space. This is a frontless lace wig, so as you can see, there's micro wefts in the back here. Let me section her off. I am going to use the Magic Hair Company Curl Definer. We are currently sold out. We'll have some in stock soon. So this is just half of the curly hair here. And see how full this is? This is just half of the deep body wave over here. And you see this texture up close? She's beautiful. Okay, I'm going to wet her down for you very quickly. One great thing about shopping with us is, another great thing about shopping with us in store is you can come and touch and feel the hair. A lot of my clients always tell me how grateful they are that they're able to come in store and touch and feel the hair, because they bought crap hair online for a long time. And when you buy stuff online from overseas, you can't get a refund and you don't know what it is most of the time. Come shop with us here in store. You can touch the hair, you can feel the hair, you can see the hair. You can talk with me or my lovely assistant, and we will make sure you know how to maintain your wig, you know how to take it on and off. If you have any questions, if you want to have a custom color consultation, we'll do all of that for you here in store. Our hair is very easy to maintain. With any of our curly or wavy textures, just wet it down. And that's it. So if you're looking for easy maintenance, curly everyday hair, or easy maintenance vacation hair, because nobody wants to be the friend or the wife or girlfriend that's on vacation and takes forever to get ready. Let me put on a cute wig while I'm talking here. Okay, so this is our deep body wave, 20 inches. I'm just combing it through so you guys can see this texture. Very easy to comb through. Make sure you get it thoroughly wet. Boom. Okay, let me throw on a wig. She's pretty. I'm gonna put you on. Oh, I should put on some curly hair actually. This wig that I'm putting on is wig number 617. So if you like this wig, she's available on our website. Wig number 617. Just put it in the search and all of her details will come up. This is a 14-inch deep body wave. Let me show you her. This is wig number 617. Okay, so we're almost done with this. Let's get this part here. And that's it. It's very easy to maintain and hydrate our curly hair. I love it. If you guys look through our post from a couple of days ago, I was just celebrating my 35th birthday in Jamaica. And of course, I brought my 22-inch my 22-inch deep body wave, custom colored wig. And I like to change my wigs or take my wig on and off. So I just carry my wigs with me. I keep it in my suitcase and put my wig on when I'm ready. Okay, this needs a little more water, but I'll comb it through to show you guys what she's starting to look like. Beautiful, beautiful, easy maintenance curly hair here. I'll just wet the rest down at one time. But it's super easy, just wet it down and wet it. Make sure you get the ends. I hate when people come in and I can tell that they did not dry their hair all the way, especially with curly hair. You have to get it all the way wet. You can't halfway get it wet. You have to get it all the way wet. So wet down your curly hair, brush it through, let it dry, and then you're good to go. Whoops. So I'm just wetting this down here. I'm using the Magic Hair Company Curl Definer and Amplifier. Perfect to use on your curly hair. Let me just comb this through here so you guys can see what it looks like. Look at those waves. I really hope this is picking up on camera. I think that it is. But that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is how easy it is to maintain and define your deep body wave hair from Magic Hair Company. Shop with us online or in store at magichaircompany.com. This just shows you a little bit of the difference. This is the dry side. This is the curly side. Shop with us online or in store if you want the best. We are Magic Hair Company, located here in Culver City. Our website is magichaircompany.com. See you guys soon. Bye.